And that's it. Our delicious egg masala is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot with steamed rice, roti or naan. Happy cooking! Let's start by boiling the eggs. Add water, lemon slice, salt and the egg to a pot. Boil them until perfectly cooked. Once they are cool enough, peel the shells and cut each egg in half. Now heat some oil in a pan, add turmeric, red chili powder. Place the boiled egg into the pan and gently coat them with the masala. Fry for a minute, then keep them aside. In another pot, heat some oil, add whole spices, sweet chili, curry leaves, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, saute until fragrant. Now add the chopped onion and cook until they are nice and golden brown. Next add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add the chopped tomatoes along with a little salt, mix well and cook without covering the pan until the tomatoes become soft. Now it's time for the spices. Add asafoetida, turmeric, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder and chicken masala. Mix everything well and cook until the oil starts separating. Pour in hot water and stir well once the gravy comes to a boil. Add a masala coated eggs. Mix carefully, then let the curry simmer for a few minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. Finish with freshly chopped coriander.